next step is commit to adding massive value. The person in your industry, so you might think like your industry is competitive or anything, something like that, right? You have this story of why it could be hard. You're gonna win if you commit to being the person that's gonna show up and add the most value. So you gotta commit to being there, showing up on a daily, consistent basis. And one of the things that I do is I'll just journal and I'll like literally write it out. What can I do today to serve? What can I do today to add massive value? So that's gotta be like key focus, something that you're doing all the freaking time. And the next step is doing that consistently. And so you can't show up in your business when it's convenient, when you feel like it. It's gotta be something that you're doing all the time. So one of the books that I read when I first started my first business when I was 23 was The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. And I remember him saying, it's not what you do once in a while that matters. It's those daily, seemingly insignificant acts that when you do it over and over and over again, that's what's really going to add up and make a big difference. So I remember when I was so focused and committed on growing my Facebook page back when they were like a big deal. So this was like 2013, 2014 maybe. This was like right when TJ was like, I was pregnant with TJ and everything. So this was 2013. I was so committed to showing up daily on a consistent basis on my Facebook fan page. So I had a mentor that was telling me like, this is what you need to do. So I listened, I posted 10 posts per day on my Facebook page, grew that to 50,000 followers, which at the time that actually was a big deal. And that helped me grow my business at that time. So obviously Facebook changed, the algorithm changed, but that was one of the things. I was committed to doing that action consistently. And that really helped me at that moment. So I want you to kind of think, what is it that you need to make sure you're doing on a consistent basis? Are you doing that? Are you doing something every day to build your email list? Are you emailing your list on a consistent basis? Or are you just showing up when you have something to sell? You got to show up and serve.